Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by isolating the failing media and preventing further writes. This preserves current state. Next, create a sector-by-sector disk image using a tool like DDresQ so you work on a copy rather than the original. Once done, verify the image checksum to confirm integrity. This step prevents wasted effort on a corrupted copy. Make sure to note drive model, error patterns, and smart attributes because those guide which recovery techniques you'll attempt next. You should now run file system-aware tools on the image. Test disk can rebuild partition tables while photo rec carves files by signature. Work only on the image to avoid irreversible changes and adjust parameters like block size or scan depth to improve hit rates. If the file system metadata is damaged, perform file carving with signature lists and recover to a separate volume. Make sure to log file names and offsets so you can prioritize important data during iterative passes. You finish by validating recovered files. Open a representative sample and compare checksums so you know what's usable. Then reconstruct folders and rename files using timestamps or application metadata to restore usability. Once done, create a clean backup and replace failing hardware. If you hit unreadable sectors or inconsistent metadata that tools can't handle, stop and consult a professional recovery lab. Their hardware-level techniques and cleanroom processes can recover data that software.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.